and welcome. Today we are going to discuss a new topic which is a part of last video. In last video we have discussed about the exogenetic and endogenetic forces, but today we will see the processes, we will see the major processes which creates landforms at the crust, at the upper surface of the crust. The two main components of the forming of landscapes या forming of major landscapes are weathering, erosion, and third one is deposition. It means weathering, erosion and deposition makes major landforms या major land masses over the crust surface. It means these are the result of exogenetic process, right? Let's see what is weathering, erosion and deposition. Weathering means the deconstruction or the broken form of soils या broken form of rocks. But in weathering there is no any transportation या there is no any carrying forces created by wind, water and glacier or ice. It means weathering is a stable process, stable work. In weathering या अपक्षय में जो चट्टानें होती हैं वो अपने ही प्लेस पर स्कैटर होके, टूट फूट के, बिखर कर रह जाती हैं. The second process is erosion. In erosion, along with the slope, ढाल के अनुसार the parts of the eroded rock, यानी the parts of the weathered rock carried by wind, water and ice. It means there are three transportators means three transport workers like wind, ice and water. They bring out the parts of weathered rock. तो विंड, वाटर और आइस ये ट्रांसपोर्ट का काम करते हैं, ट्रेवल यानी कैरी आउट करके ले जाते हैं किसको, टूटी फूटी चट्टानों के. इट मींस इरोजन इज अ डायनेमिक प्रोसेस, यानी ये गतिमान स्थिति है. एंड द लास्ट वन इज डिपोजिशन मींस निक्षेप, व्हेन द स्लोप इज 0 डिग्री, जब ढाल 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे हो जाता है, 0 डिग्री रेडियन पे हो जाता है, सेल्सियस नहीं तो रेडियन पे होता है, तब क्या होता है, तब वहां पे द डिब्रीज गेट डिपोजिटेड, तब वो डिब्रीज और द पार्ट्स ऑफ रॉक्स या चट्टानों के जो चूर्ण होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, वो डिपोजिटेड हो जाते हैं. एंड दीज थ्री प्रोसेसेस, ये तीन कारक मिलके क्या बनाते हैं, मेजर लैंड फॉर्म्स, राइट. तो मेजर लैंड फॉर्म बनाने के लिए वेदरिंग, चट्टानों का एरोजन और डिपोजिशन होना जरूरी है. तो दीज आर द थ्री वर्क्स, बट दीज थ्री वर्क्स आर डन बाय थ्री मेजर components. Three major components or three major workers are, the three major workers are wind, water and ice, right? First we take water. Water means river a river a river has its course or life. नहीं, रिवर का क्या होता है? एक कोर्स होता है, लाइफ होता है. इन द स्टार्टिंग फेज, शुरुआत में, at the mountain or plateau, the river does the first process weathering and second process erosion. यानी शुरुआती चरण में शुरुआत में जब रिवर स्टार्ट होती है, it does two process, weathering and erosion at the mountain or plateau. But if there are two types of rocks, one is hard and second is soft nature, so the river cut down the soft rock. This material has been cut down by the river, and this is the new landform. In this new landform, the floating river makes a new landform called waterfall, मीन्स झरना. तो जब दो तरह की चट्टानें पाई जाती हैं, जिसमें ऊपर या ऊपर की सॉलिड हो, नीचे की जो चट्टान हो वो क्या हो? वो कमज़ोर हो. तो नीचे की रॉक को या नीचे की चट्टान को जो रिवर है वो क्या करती है? वो कट कर देती है, काट देती है, और क्या बनता है? वाटरफॉल. ऐसे ही मेजर वाटरफॉल, यू नो अबाउट द मेजर वाटरफॉल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. नियाग्रा, you know, in India, Garsopa, you know, Victoria in Africa. So these are the major waterfalls. You know about Victoria, you know about Angel Falls in Venezuela, you know about the Niagara Falls located in Northern American continent. The second landform created by water, the first at the mountain or at the plateau, and the second one is in the plain or the mature phase of the रिवर्स कोर्स. यानी रिवर के जीवन का जो मैच्योर फेज, यहां क्या है? ये चाइल्डहुड फेज है. यू नो, द चाइल्ड्स ब्रोकन ऑल द थिंग्स. सो इन द सेम वे द रिवर इन इट्स चाइल्डहुड एज broke the chattan, broke the rocks or cut down the rocks. In the second phase, when it get mature, जब river mature हो जाती है, then it makes some other kinds of landforms in the plains. In the plains, the river flows in this way. So this way or this manner is called meander. Meander is a loopway route of river in the plains. But sometimes when there is a flooding condition, the route of river has changed and this loop has been, this loop makes a type of lake called Oxbow Lake. So Oxbow Lake is a type of lake made by the river in the plains, right? The outer part of the loop, in this portion, the river makes leaves. It means in Hindi तटबंध. आपने नदी के चारों तरफ बंधे देखे होंगे. तो ये क्या है? ये नेचुरल लीव्स है, ये प्राकृतिक तटबंध है. मतलब ये कौन बनाता है? रिवर बनाती है और नेचुरली बनाती है. ठीक है. अब when the condition get worse and there is a huge precipitation or rainfall, then the river get overflow. तब ये रिवर क्या होती है? ओवरफ्लो हो जाती है. And in this type of flooding condition, the river deposited the sediment carried from the mountains. The river deposited all the sediments around the meander and make deposited flood plains. So deposited flood plains made by rivers, right? These deposited flood plains are very fertile. You know about Yamuna, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus plains. Indus, Yamuna, Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra plain are deposited flood plains. Right? So there are this is the second phase of the river, and when the river get it old age, जब उसकी उम्र अधिक हो जाए, it means about to meet the ocean or sea or bay or gulf. It means when the course of river is about to end. In this phase, the river divided into many routes called distributaries. When any river meets into the main river, it is called tributaries, and when the river meets the ocean and divided into several parts, then it is called tributaries. So tributaries means when the river divided into several parts and meet to the ocean, and in that place the river deposited all the sediment carried by the river and makes delta. It means delta is a deposited plane. Delta is a deposited plane. डेल्टा क्या है? एक डिपॉजिटेड प्लेन है. और ये डिपॉजिटेड प्लेन कौन बनाता है? डेल्टा जो है वो डिपॉजिटेड प्लेन है, वो कौन बनाता है? देखिए ये क्या है? ये डेल्टा है. ये डेल्टा है, कौन बनाया? डेल्टा डिपॉजिटेड प्लेन है मेड बाय द रिवर व्हेन द रिवर इज अबाउट टू मीट द ओशन या एट इट एंड. So there are three phases of the course of river. One is youth, second is mature, and third is old. In the youth age, it makes gorge, canyon, waterfalls. In the mature age, it makes leaves, meander, deposited floodplains, oxbow lake, and at the old age, it makes delta and tributaries. The second is wind. The wind works in dry areas. The wind works in dry areas like the western part of the Rajasthan, in Saudi Arabia, in Sahara, and other Middle East countries. So in the dry places, the wind makes some interesting landforms. The first landform, which is called mushroom rocks. Mushroom rock. Second, sand dunes. Sand dunes means these types of landforms. And the third is loess. So in the dry places, the wind is the worker. The wind is the the wind is the force who makes mushroom rock type, solid landform, sand dunes type, landforms which are impermanent. And when the sand parts are very small, the wind makes loess plain. Loess plain are very famous of China. तो चीन के लोएस प्लेन बहुत फेमस हैं. And the third is glacier. So the glacier part we will see in the next video along with the solve of this lesson. So in this video, what we have learned, the major forces, the major exogenetic forces, wind, water, the ice is remaining, and the processes which makes the landform, weathering, erosion, and deposition, the course of river, and the landform made by the wind. In the next video, we will learn the landform made by ice or glacier, and the solve of the questions given in your book. Okay, goodbye and good luck.